If you have issues with Hotspot on a Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, then in that case, first of all, we need to open the settings. Once you go to settings, we can proceed to the network and internet option, and then in here we can find hotspot and tethering. Now in here, what we can do is we can go to the Wi-Fi hotspot, and here we have a couple of settings that we might want to check out. The first one is of course the speed and compatibility. While it is of course a good choice to use 5 GHz in general because it increases the speed of your hotspot, as a result, your hotspot might not be compatible with some devices that do not support that frequency. So if you do use 5 GHz, you might want to switch to 2.4 GHz instead. If your hotspot turns off automatically when no device is connected and you need to make sure that the Wi-Fi is on until you manually turn it off, then of course you can disable this option over here, turn off hotspot automatically. This allows you to keep the hotspot enabled even if no device is connected after a couple of minutes since you have your hotspot enabled. Also, of course, here we can check out the password, so you can double check if the password is correct. I mean, the person that is trying to connect to your hotspot uses the correct password. But in addition to that, what you can do is if you enable the hotspot, then here right next to the name, we have this QR code generator. So that person can scan this QR code instead of looking for the network on the list of available Wi-Fi networks, of course. And that is pretty much all we can do in order to try to solve issues with the Wi-Fi not working. Well, there's maybe one more thing that you can do, and that is you can simply restart your phone. This can be sometimes helpful as well. And also you can just turn off your hotspot and turn it back on if it was already enabled, in order to refresh your hotspot, just in case, of course. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.